Hi, I'm Shailyn and I sew, except in this video I'm going to be weaving a rug. Now I'm not a weaver. This is going to be probably the fourth thing that I've ever woven in my life. So I don't want this to be a tutorial. I just wanted to sort of document how I created the rug and show the whole process from the frame to the weaving all the way to the end. So I hope you guys enjoy! So what I did was I found the biggest frame I could find at the thrift store, bought it, and took the picture out and all the hardware. Once I took all the hardware off, I measured and marked a 1/2 inch all the way across the top and then all the way across the bottom. So I had opposite sides marked. Those markings are where I'm going to have my husband nail little nails on the frame. Once I did that, I warped the loom on one side down to the next nail, across, down to the next nail, across, and repeat. Then I started weaving and weaving. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Again, this wasn't supposed to be a tutorial because I haven't woven a lot of things. I just wanted to show my process and hopefully you guys would be inspired to create your own things. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel.